uh, there is a video which I want to analyze today. Say you don't think when we say some people of River State, they talk say they no be Igbos. Even some people of River State, they talk say they no be Igbos. And for my entire history, now only Igbo man, now I don't see say in they deny in his or her identity because of one selfish interest. I don't know why. But why I still know that when you come to Africa, Igbo people are one of the greatest people in Africa, one of the popular people in Africa. But I don't know why when we say Igbo people always they deny their identity. Okay, thank God for this man now. When God speak and say majority of River State na Igbos. But I know say some people no gree. I could remember when I was in River State, I know that when you come to that part of River Igbos, that particular place, even that side of Indoni, of his village, sometimes they value Isoko, Ishekiri, Wore people as their own brother more than us that can speak the same language with them. We speak the same language, but other people wish the people can learn their language. But for us, we know they learn the language at all. Their language and our language, we they speak the same thing whether they speak. So, but they see other people like their own brother more than us. I don't really know why. But the reason, I don't know the reason why they see other people. But no be say we no be the same thing with Isoko and Ishekiri. We all are the same. Even when you come to history, we all are the same people. But at least, ndeba ina asena ekese ni igwe ekebe no soku. So ekese ni igwe ekebe no soku means that we all are brothers. But when you come to history, at least these people are more closer than just like when you come to your country. When you are in the midst of Africa, you defend your country. When you are in your country, you defend your tribe. When you are in your tribe, you defend your state. When you are in your state, you defend your clan. When you are in your clan, you defend your community. When you are in your community, you defend your. So just like Ekeseniwe, Ekebeno Soko. So, but we all are the same. But I don't really know. Even when you come to some of part of Delta State, those side of Ndokwa East, Ndokwa North, all those people, sometimes, for sure, they really mean for us, the Igbos, because they see other people like their own brother more than us that can speak the same language. I don't really know why. So, but I thank God say some people go hear them from this man. Make una watch the film. Make una watch that video for yourself. When I go stay confirm. Thank you.
Before the war, when you go to Port Harcourt, let me take Port Harcourt as an example. You have Umokuru, Umobase, Umo. But immediately after the war, they now change the name from Umo to Rumu because they had issues that they were unable to settle during the war with the Igbos. They felt that they were cheated in the course of the war. They now decided to make little amendment. But from my own side, which is in Ndoni, we remain Igbo and we bear the name. And when you come to our tradition, Ibiana Ndoni, Aina Piamangu, Kande, Anambra, Imo. We have our masquerade. And in our culture, the masquerade depicts our ancestral being. They use it to make laws in those days. And these are, if you are not from Igbo land, how do you have that masquerade? Now, I have two names that are Igbo names, Ikechukwu, Afamefuna. Now, if you have that name, that traditional name, and you stand to say you are not an Igbo man, it tells you you are not telling yourself the truth. Now, when you go to Ndone, typical example, we have Peter Odili. He was the former governor of Rivers State.
Okay.
We have Chief Victor Ifeanyi Chukwu Enebeli. Odili, sorry. He is the owner of a Brawa shipping line. So we identify ourselves as Igbos. I stand to say I am an Igbo man. I'm Igbo.
You know, to me, it's the right time for we to begin to tell ourselves the truth. You know, the most shameful thing on earth will be somebody trying to deny his ancestors because of whatever being the benefits anyone wants to have tomorrow. You know, I was not there during the war. Most of these places today that are, like if you go to Delta North today, somebody from Asaba, Ibuzo, Obashuku, Oboluku, Iseluku, these are Igbo communities. You see, they are giving their children Efunanya, Chibike,
Yes.
Chukwebuka, you know, exactly the culture. They believe in 4 Igbo market days. Okay?
Of course. Oye, Afo, Nkwo.
You know, when somebody believes in Igbo 4 market days, the same way the 5 states believe, the masquerade is the same way. Like in Delta North, the name of their king is Obi. Obi of this. Obi is not Yoruba name. Obi is not Hausa name.
No.
Obi is not Benin name.
It is not a Urobo name.
It's not Yoruba name.
Not a John name.
It's not a John name.
Not a Fik name.
It's not a Fik name.
Yes.
Obi is Igbo name. Like me now talking, my son name is Obi. So, you know, some of them in Delta North, few of them says, we come from Benin. If you come from Benin, why are you not answering Benin name? Why are you answering Igbo name? I would say I'm very proud of him because being a River State man, mentioning his name, Igbo name, and he's also speaking Igbo. I'm hearing him, he's hearing me. It's a shameful thing for someone to deny his ancestors just because of benefit. I heard that after the war, some people from that riverine area, they tried to change their identity in order to be favored by the federal government. You know, after the war, there was this Igbo people are somehow segregated. So for you to fit in the country that time, you have to deny whom you are.
To be able to get a benefit.
So to be able to get a benefit. And
man, I can draw that benefit I need now. The benefit.
Where is it now? Even here divide and rule. Now, if you check, how many of them were all you well? Okay.
Okay, this is very, very interesting. Are you still there? This is Seraphic Studio.